If you want to create documents faster and with a more professional look in LibreOffice Writer, templates and wizards are two of the best tools you can use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use both of them step by step, so you can save time, stay organized, and make your documents look polished right from the start. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. All right, let's get into it. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. When the Start Center opens, click on Writer Document to create a new text document. This is where you'll work with templates and wizards. Now, if you want to start with a pre-designed layout instead of a blank page, go to the top menu and click File, then Templates, and then Manage Templates. This opens the Template Manager, where you can browse different ready-made document designs. Templates are useful when you want a consistent style for letters, reports, resumes, or other documents without having to format everything manually. Take a moment to look through the available templates. When you find one that fits your project, click it once to select it, then click Open. LibreOffice will create a new document based on that template. From here, you can start editing the document with your own text, images, and details. The great thing about templates is that they already include things like margins, headings, fonts, and spacing, so your document immediately looks more professional. If you use the same type of document often, templates can save you a huge amount of time. Now let's move on to wizards. Wizards are a little different from templates because they guide you through the setup process step by step. To access them, click File again, then choose Wizards. You'll see a list of different wizard options, such as letter or fax, depending on what you need to create. Wizards are very helpful if you are not sure how to structure a document from scratch. For example, if you choose the letter wizard, it will walk you through the process of entering your address, selecting a style, and arranging the layout. Just follow the prompts on each screen carefully. Enter the required information, click Next when you're ready, and keep going until you reach the end. Once you've completed all the steps, click Finish, and LibreOffice will generate the document for you. This is especially useful for formal documents, where you want a clean, organized result without guessing at the formatting. So to summarize, templates are best when you want a ready-made design, while wizards are best when you want guided help building a document step by step. Both tools can make you much more efficient in LibreOffice Writer. If you're creating letters, reports, forms, or any repeating document type, using these features can really speed up your workflow. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.